Garbage food has garbage fats, and healthy foods have healthy fats. And I'm John Laspina. If you were to eat foods that come in boxes and packages and you read the ingredient labels, you're reading the name of the fat or the oil that was used to make that product. And if it says canola, soybean, safflower, rice bran, sunflower, cottonseed, peanut, margarine, Crisco, that's garbage oil. It's rancid. It was extracted from seeds using extremely high heat, which denatures the unsaturated fat part of that oil. And it's a mycotoxic poison, and it will stimulate inflammation in your body when you eat it. That food is garbage. Garbage foods have garbage fats and oils in them. If you're buying a product where you have to read the ingredient label, and I say that because if you just stick with single ingredient foods like beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, eggs, they don't have a list of ingredients because they just have one ingredient. But if you're buying something that has 4, 5, or 6 ingredients, read the ingredient label, and if it has any of those oils, that's a garbage food. You're putting garbage in your body, and you will feel like garbage. However, if there's a responsible company out there that's making a processed food that's slightly processed and they're using beef tallow, then it's not a garbage food as much. It's less bad. I recommend that you eat whole foods that don't have a list of ingredients. But if you do have to read ingredient labels, don't put garbage foods in your body. Don't eat cereal. Don't eat pizza. Don't eat anything with a paragraph of ingredients. That is called a Franken food, and it has garbage oils, and it is garbage. Eat quality. Put good stuff in your body with healthy oils and fats, and your body will respond in a healthy way with no inflammation, and you'll feel better, and you'll look better. And if you do this long term, you will start to change. Your body will change. Your emotions will change, and all in the positive direction. Take care.